70s like that.
I like the box. Wow, what a cool box.
You don't like that box?
No.
Why?
So boring.
It's orange.
But it's orange. Yeah, a lot of things are orange. A lot of stupid shit is orange.
You jealous of this camera?
A little bit. I don't know if you understand. There's few things more unsettling than someone pointing a camera at you for no fucking reason.
What are you talking about?
I don't know, man. This is very cool. It's very fun.
Oh shit. Cat. Where's
So,
he at?
your cat's like a retard?
He's just lonely. He's
He's
like
Dude, but that doesn't make me serious.
yeah, it just makes you an interesting, fun
Makes
guy.
you an interesting guy. Brett, I want to see why Emerson's talking to the cops right here. Who is this guy? Why does it look like DeMarco?
You know who we should watch is that guy from Berlin who's like, I know my rights.
That's Stephen
you
Gregory.
wanna watch Stephen Gregory?
Yes,
Yeah.
I do. I love that guy.
Oh my god, yeah, we'll watch Stephen Gregory. Let me.
You're breaking my
I'm going to the store right
I don't
now.
want to talk to you right now.
I stopped to speak to Gorham PD. I didn't even speak to you.
You're not in his jurisdiction. Go to Berlin.
I am in Gorham. Berlin told me to call Gorham. I'm speaking to Gorham. I'm not even here to speak to you. Get out of here.
Paris in there?
What are you meowing about?
Don't spill that drink, cat. Cat.
Oh, that cat wants this movie.
Cat, don't spill that drink.
I like this joint.
Yeah, it's a
I heard it's so bad.
dude. I like my biggest fear is drowning or not being able to breathe. So like that shit.
You know what my biggest fear is?
What's that?
Being buried alive.
Well, that's kind of the same thing. Like, are you claustrophobic?
Where?
Yeah, me too.
Gay phobic.
Not with people.
Really? It's gay phobic? There's already a word for it. It's called fucking, you're a fucking moron. Yeah, they're a good band. I assume,
How drunk are you?
out of 10, I guess I would say
4.
not like 5, probably. Brett looks like, you look like you should have weird ass nipples too, dude.
Brett has,
I bet I look like
Brett
that.
has really normal nipples.
He's got the Schneiders.
What the fuck is that, dude? What the fuck is
Rob
that?
Schneider?
Yeah.
He's got like a little patch of like
Hair.
hair and then 2 like hair circles around. I got the Schneider too. It's all good.
I really couldn't move.
Hey, friend.
I lied in bed, just almost on the verge of tears. And
Bet you were lying in bed, you
Should've
fucking
taken it.
liar. Nails, that's cool.
No, that's
My
not.
9
really
inch
cool.
nails, that's cool.
That's
Hey,
not.
let's just deflect off me and put it on you.
You
Nah, it doesn't
9
work
inch
that
nails,
way.
you still stand by that tattoo?
It's just like
or-
emo.
We'll do it live!
Like, Bugs turning gay. I want to be just like him. He's so good.
Well,
He spread to what's her name so she can be the youngest billionaire of all time.
is that on your leg? Oh, peace.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Let me see.
But guess what it is?
Who,
Guess do you think that's like a tattoo gun?
No.
is that stick and
Yeah,
poke?
it might be a stick and poke.
This is a stick and poke.
No way!
And I
That's
got
so
another
sick.
stick and poke, like, where the fuck is it? It's up here, but it says rude dude.
Wow.
And there was this girl in Arizona, and like, I was just like, ugh, and like, just like weirdly, slowly stabbing, because I didn't understand what the fuck to do, and she was just like, stop.
Stop.
Like, you're not doing it right, you should probably never do this.
This looks
And I'm
like it was. This looks like it was done in pen.
The stick and poke.
Yeah, it does.
Looks like it
It
was
looks
done.
like a like big pen or something.
Fuck off. Brett.
Yeah. Yes. Wow. Fine Bigfoot, Joe. More like small dick. You guys should go somewhere.
Go to my bed.
Alright, peace.
I can just bring you home, bro.
What now? No, I actually have so much money I can spend.
Okay. Time is it now?
That sounds great. Chicken throat stuck in my throat.
Oh.
Yeah, it's me. This is the best one. That's
We killed the motor. We have to figure out why the motor keeps dying. You ready for the outside meal?
I have my walkies just in case.
I don't even know this lady. I didn't do nothing to her. Looking to buy the property and she talked to you like that? All I said was please don't be respectful.
Oh, yay, welcome.
I go to Grand State instead of Keene State.
That's not bad, though.
Hey,
Wiener.
Peter Steele. Boys in the showers of Ram Ranch.
Big hard throbbing cock.
Big third.
For the stud cock.
Stud cock. Ram Ranch really rocks.
Fuck, like the way his mic is, it's like,
Yeah.
it's like almost like bass boost. It's like,
Where's your boy pussy?
Because it's so shitty.
we don't get that song.
Yo, you Asian and shit?
This is a song?
Yeah.
Grant McDuck. The rest.
We can just.
Yeah. What with the meats?
You need to put that camera away.
I would like a chef Boyardee.
Here.
It's okay because he has to have the camera plugged in when you use That's not where I want to put the Here? I saw that integrity ones that were in places.
I guess they must
Steroids for the teeth.
Oh yeah. This thing is so heavy. Yeah. Can't see shit. I have to look through this viewfinder.
No, they didn't make things practical. They made it so it worked.
That works.